don't put hands on me.
Can I?
Don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone.
Right. You cannot just fly a drone. I want to understand. Listen.
Welcome to the UK Justice Patrol channel. Don't miss the latest important news and updates.
Flying a drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really, really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Okay. Well, I think someone's going to come and see you.
There's really no need.
We start off with an unusual interaction. Right away, she insists that filming shouldn't be happening and says she'll call others over. It's a small moment, but it speaks volumes. Her tone, her posture, and the assumption that something wrong is happening immediately frame the entire encounter. There's no mention of any legal basis, no attempt at a conversation, just a warning and an implied threat of escalation.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
Oh, are you?
doing this under the police station, so why are you
Oh,
here?
I'm really sorry.
You know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can you
just
no,
wait.
get your hand off me.
Can we call a unit, please?
Hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of the police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's
Why
not
not?
allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you're just a
Someone
right.
call the
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No, you're not leaving now.
What, am I detained? What's going on
Well, you're not leaving
No,
now.
I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filming the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what are you detaining me under?
This is a textbook display of poor policing. As he attempts to leave, he asks a basic question: am I being detained? Instead of giving a straight answer, the officers dance around it as if the concept of lawful procedure is brand new to them. Not one of them cites a legal authority. Not one of them offers a valid explanation. It's just empty words and confused looks. This isn't proper policing. It's posturing. A uniform doesn't turn uncertainty into expertise. And what we're seeing here is a group of officers who cannot articulate what they are doing or why they are doing it. For anyone who knows UK law, this is straightforward. Under Section 2 of PACE, an officer must clearly state the legal power they are using and the reason for using it. Instead, we're left with hesitation, mixed messages, and what amounts to an unlawful stop.
What's going on?
Call the option.
Is anyone calling you?
So what am I detained under? Otherwise I'm
We
leaving.
need to know what footage you've got.
No,
on
you
your
don't need to
phone
look.
and
You don't need to look at
Yeah,
anything.
because you're
No, you
filming
don't.
the police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
That's mine.
Why are you taking photos of me? Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone
You just
to
assaulted
calm
me
down.
numerous times without even
did?
detaining me. So what's going on?
You did.
You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to.
I'm not trying to run away. I've asked you a question. Am I detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you're outside police station.
I can
Which
be
is
outside
wrong.
the police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at the back.
I don't have a police business. I don't need to
So
have.
why are you here?
Because I'm
with
allowed
the
to fly it.
drone?
I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you're
Of
not.
course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed to
you're not.
fly it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No, I
not
want to
over
fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean,
the
go to
police
the park? Are
station.
you my mum? Like, I don't take orders from you, sorry.
And somehow, it manages to decline even further. One of the officers confidently announces that he's not allowed to fly here. No statute cited. No aviation rule mentioned. Not even a vague nod toward the CAA's drone regulations. Just a sweeping claim delivered with authority and absolutely no substance behind it. The reality? A DJI Mini 2 sits in the sub-250G category. That class of drone can legally be flown in most public areas, even around buildings, as long as the pilot follows basic safety guidance and avoids restricted airspace. Nothing about this situation suggests a violation, but instead of checking the facts, they attempt to shut him down as if he's causing a major security threat. And this is exactly the problem. When officers rely on confidence instead of knowledge, they expect obedience instead of accountability. It's moments like this that chip away at public confidence, because people notice when those enforcing the rules don't actually understand them.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you just tried to. You lot have just put hands on me numerous times.
Over the police
I
station.
can't have it over the police
you
station.
Can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you didn't.
Times.
No,
I
you
already
didn't.
did.
Who are you?
Times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
You lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining them. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Ask you a question. Why are you?
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic. That's
Why am I pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo. Haven't we?
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint, certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
you do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. You just put hands on me.
Well, you would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone? What?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
over the
It's illegal
police-
activity.
yeah, it
It's illegal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to
Yes.
fly this? Oh,
Yes, I
you?
do. I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
When we need a police officer, we don't need a PCSO in there.
That's very
Because
rude,
can't
actually.
do really nothing.
No, but we've asked him to call. Asked her to call it in.
But there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what's
I need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over?
Because I want to do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to do
What do you
it.
want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things
No, I
like that?
don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up right now. Put it away because I don't know what
can
you
go-
lot are going to
You
do.
can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want to have a look inside there. Yeah, I want to look in there. Yeah.
Okay, then so we can get a uniform unit. You can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under section under terrorist act.
Yeah,
There
what
you
section?
go.
Which section?
This part would be funny if it weren't so concerning. She tries to invoke the Terrorism Act, yet she can't even name the section she's supposedly relying on. It's obvious she doesn't actually know the legislation. Instead, she tosses out the word terrorism as if it's a universal shortcut to compliance, a catch-all threat meant to scare rather than inform. That isn't policing. That's intimidation dressed up as authority. When an officer uses fear instead of law, it reveals a complete lack of professionalism. Rather than grounding her actions in the facts, she's relying on confusion and hoping the public won't question it. In doing so, she doesn't strengthen her position. She exposes how weak it actually is, and frankly, she ends up making herself look ridiculous.
Stop recording me.
What's what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why don't you answer some questions? So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about. You don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that. Forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened. So
yeah, clearly.
would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional, though, is it? Could you just say your name?
No, we don't say.
My name.
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's what you need. That's all you need.
That's what you need. You don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need that either.
I've got my designation card on me.
The two PCSOs did not show their designation cards when requested. Instead, they only provided their names and collar numbers, even though Section 42 of the Police Reform Act 2002 requires PCSOs to display their designation cards whenever they are exercising their official powers. These cards are important because they verify the officer's authority and outline the specific powers granted by the Chief Constable. Offering only a name and collar number, without presenting the official identification, does not meet the legal standard and once again raises concerns about transparency and accountability within the police.
Is this guy going to start white knighting?
You guys okay? Who is flying the drone?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation.
You don't? You're sure about that?
Card is what I have on the car with me.
So you don't have a card there that shows your... So may I see it? So I can see. I'm speaking to her, I'm not speaking to you.
Right.
Can I understand why you're flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying the drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our premises.
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
should look into our into the police station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings?
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go, yeah?
It's you that is flying the
So
drone.
you're a sergeant, can you take my complaint? So a few of your colleagues and that, they put hands on me and stuff like that
because obviously we
no, you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes, I didn't even know you're police. But, do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over...
No, I don't need to stand nowhere.
Hey, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one, and if you're going to detain me, tell me I'm being detained.
His questions show that he understands his rights, something everyone should aim for. When police respond with silence or unclear answers, it often suggests improper conduct or that the stop may not be lawful.
You ain't going to put hands on me?
No, I will not be, but we would like to understand why...
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
Sorry, who have you called?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no if you put hands on me, I'm gonna push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands.
If you try and stop me from leaving, I'm gonna push you out the way. If you put hands on me, I'm gonna push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively. If anyone puts hands on me, you're gonna get put off me. Do you understand?
Right. I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over
Right.
there.
You cannot just fly a drone. I want to understand. Listen.
Okay,
I'm detaining you. Can I understand? Why are you
don't need to understand anything. What are you expecting to find? You've just searched me under Section 1 of PACE. What are you expecting to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
It's none of your business.
So because this is a police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me right now? Are you not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just said Section 1 of PACE.
Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, causing a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I put 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me, search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you trying to find drugs?
mate.
Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about Section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that's what you expect? Nothing's going to happen, yeah?
Well, I don't expect this.
So you very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
So you very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
so
asked you to put hands on me
therefore,
and
you
me
are in a position where you are at the moment.
Section 1 of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
you're the one that launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
well, yeah, because you were flying from over the police station.
You could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
They stopped and said, "Why are you flying the drone?"
You know, I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of PACE. All now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of PACE.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking to you.
I need to find out what's going on, please. Just
so you can't detain me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premise,
but how does that suggest that I've got weapons or drugs or stolen goods on me?
I want to know why.
So why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
Answer the question. No, answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right, I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he gave you.
He didn't give me anything.
He gave you.
You just put him in a situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with section 1 of PACE. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with section 1 of PACE. You've used section 1 of PACE. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use section 1 of PACE,
it's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use section 1 of PACE.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his section 1 PACE power, he can use his section 1 PACE.
It's not good. It's not good, Patel, man. Okay, like, you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search power.
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
Detained by him. I can't justify his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion?
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
One, but I have to stop you now under section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under section 1?
No, you're not detained under section 1.
Okay, so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now, you've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000.
This is where the situation begins to fall apart. The officer first referred to Section 1 of PACE, a search power that requires reasonable suspicion of stolen items or offensive weapons, but then abruptly changed course. With no clear explanation, he dropped that justification and pulled out his phone during the interaction to look up Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. In other words, he searched for the law online before applying it. This isn't just untidy procedure, it's concerning. Section 43 can only be used when an officer has reasonable suspicion that a person is involved in terrorism. In this case, no such basis was given. No identified threat, no intelligence, nothing beyond someone using a camera and a drone. It reflects a troubling use of police powers.
And what I'll be doing now, I will need to see that what you're videoing. I have to review it. Then if we are happy, then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I won't have, you know what is going to.
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want you, I just want us to do this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like, you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? Should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station,
but nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but
so do you think I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What does that mean? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist? You don't know. There needs to be some objective basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be handcuffed. No, get your hand off me. All right, under duress. Get your hand off me. Under duress. I'm going to show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're going to seize it from me, yeah? So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is a drone.
This is a drone. Listen, man.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah, we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
Don't get
What do you want, evidence?
Yeah, evidence back, please.
Why do you want evidence for? You're gonna seize it?
Yes.
You're seizing it all, yeah?
Yes.
Including the GoPro.
Yeah.
Why? You just said you want us to review the footage.
Yeah, that's why. Is it not what I said?
Say again?
We will in our own time.
Yeah.
In your own time, yeah? Alright.
In summary, flying a drone under 250 grams in public airspace, even near police stations, is entirely legal. Police officers must have reasonable grounds and follow correct procedures if they wish to detain or search someone. They are required to identify themselves clearly and provide valid reasons for their actions. Any physical contact must be necessary and proportionate, and serious powers, such as those under the Terrorism Act, cannot be applied arbitrarily. This incident highlights important questions about police interactions with the public and the limits of their authority, particularly regarding simple freedoms like filming in public. Being aware of your rights and holding officers accountable when those rights are challenged is essential. Staying informed and vigilant promotes transparency and helps uphold the rule of law. If you found this overview helpful, supporting and sharing this content contributes to independent research and public awareness.